MLA Singgi Mathakta High Court ta file Tourakpa election petition kulhumdoi Shure. Petition taruk laukhatuna khanaba haukraba matung petition taraga mathoina hayeng me marida khananaba list tawkhre. Haukiba February kunganipan amasung March mangada tangkak ani thongna pangthokiba taraga ni suba Manipur Legislative Assembly election ge result March tarada laukthokuna anoba assembly asige MLA hompu khankraba matung dagina tha asigi kungani thoi phawbada High Court of Manipur da written candidate oirakraba Singgi Mathakta file tawrakiba apunba election petition kulhumdoi sukhibaga loinana petition sing asigi manungda mamang thagi taragani dagina kunganipan phawgi manungda petition taruk High Court of Manipur ge tongan ba bench sing dalokhatuna khanakraba matung anauba case taraga mathoigina tha asigi marida court asigi bench ahum dalokhatuna khananabagi damak list tawkhre pause sina phangba pawgi matungina Hauzik Phawbada High Court of Manipur da file tawrakraba election petition sing adude Wangkhai Assembly Constituency gi MLA Thangjam Arun Kumar amasung atopa miyoi anige Mathakta Okram Henry na petitioner oiduna file tawrakpa election petition number 1 of 2022 Moirangi MLA Thongam Santi amasung atopa miyoi amagi Mathakta Mairenbam Prithviraj na petitioner oiduna file tawrakpa election petition number 2 of 2022 Lamsangi MLA Sorok Khaibam Rajan amasung atopa ahumgi Mathakta Pukhrambam Sumati na petitioner oiduna file tawrakiba election petition number 3 of 2022 Thongju Assembly Constituency dagi karaktuna minister oidaba Thongam Bisojit ki Mathakta Seram Neke na petitioner oiduna file tawrakiba election petition number 4 of 2022 Kaksing Assembly Constituency gi MLA Mayang Lambam Rameswar amasung atopa miyoi mangagi Mathakta Yangkhom Sursandra na petitioner oiduna file tawrakpa election petition number 5 of 2022 Khetrigao ACG MLA Saik Nurul Hasan amasung atopa ahumgi Mathakta Nahakpam Indrajit na file tawrakpa election petition number 6 of 2022 Langthawal ACG MLA Karam Shyam amasung atopa nigi Mathakta Okram Joy na petitioner oiduna file tawrakpa election petition number 7 of 2022 Kairao ACG MLA Laurembam Rameswar Mitay amasung atopa marigi Mathakta MD Nasiruddin Khan na petitioner oiduna file tawrakpa election petition number 8 of 2022 Bisnupur AC dagi karaktuna minister oiraba Govindas Konthokjam amasung atopa amagi Mathakta oinam Nabakisor na file tawrakpa election petition number 9 of 2022 Lamlai Assembly Constituency gi MLA Khongban Tabam Ibomsa amasung atopa ahumgi Mathakta Khetrimayung Biren na petitioner oiduna file tawrakpa election petition number 10 of 2022 Nauria Pakhang Lakpa Assembly Constituency gi MLA Sagol Sem KV amasung atopa miyoi anigi Mathakta Soibam Suwat Chandra na petitioner oiduna file tawrakpa election petition number 11 of 2022 Thangmaiban ACG MLA Khumuksam Joy Kishan amasung atopa magi Mathakta Jotin Waikhom na petitioner oiduna file tawrakpa election petition number 12 of 2022 Kumbi ACG na MLA Sanasam Prem Chandra amasung atopa miyoi nipan gi Mathakta Ahanthem Sanjay na petitioner oiduna file tawrakpa election petition number 13 of 2022 Andro ACG MLA Thongnaujam Syam Kumar amasung atopa miyoi anigi Mathakta Laurembam Sanjoy na petitioner oiduna file tawrakpa election petition number 14 of 2022 Wangjing Tentha ACG MLA Paunam Rosen amasung atopa magi Mathakta Moirangthem Hemanta na petitioner oiduna file tawrakpa election petition number 15 of 2022 Chandel Assembly Constituency gi MLA SS Oleski Mathakta Langhu Poring Anal na petitioner oiduna file tawrakpa election petition number 16 of 2022 Singhat ACG Kuki People's Alliance gi MLA Chinlun Thangi Mathakta Ginsuan Haujau na petitioner oiduna file tawrakpa election petition number 17 of 2022 Lilong Assembly Constituency gi MLA Muhammad Abdul Nasir amasung atopa ahumgi Mathakta Y Antas Khan na petitioner oiduna file tawrakpa election petition number 18 of 2022 Wangwai Assembly Constituency gi MLA Khuraizam Loken amasung atopa magi Mathakta oinam lukhoi na petitioner oiduna file tawrakpa election petition number 19 of 2022 Tipaimuk Assembly Constituency SDG MLA Ngursanglur Sanati amasung atopa miyoi amagi Mathakta Chantolian Amo na petitioner oiduna file tawrakpa election petition number 20 of 2022 oinam Assembly Constituency gi MLA Irengbam Nalini amasung atopa miyoi mangagi Mathakta Laisram Radhakishor na petitioner oiduna file tawrakpa election petition number 21 of 2022 Hairok Assembly Constituency gi MLA Thokchom Radeshyam amasung atopa miyoy ani gi mathakta Moirangthem Okendro na petitioner oiduna file tawrakpa election petition number 22 of 2022 amasung Wabgai SG MLA Usam Deven amasung atopa miyoy ahong gi mathakta MD Fazul Rahim na petitioner oiduna file tawrakpa election petition number 23 of 2022 ne Paukse asina ngasi fawbada phangkiba report ki matungina hogjak fawbada MLA kulhumdoi asigi mathakta pangthokriba mikhal aduda makhoiga naknaba lamba tawnakhiba candidate singna makhoigi mathakta file tawrakhiba election petition singni haire adubu apunba election petition kulhumdoi asigi manungda Okram Henry na MLA Thangjam Arun Kumar amasung atopa anigi mathakta file tawrakhiba election petition number 1 of 2022 adu mamang thagi taraga nipanda Justice Ahanthem Bimol gi bench na laukalaga Khanaba haubaga loina na case asigi respondent singda tha asigi mapan phawbuda paukhum pirangnaba notice sing issue tawkhibaga loina na case asigi makha taba wail chathanaba numit asida amukhan na lepkhi M Prithviraj na MLA Thongam Shanti amasung atopa amagi mathakta file tawrakhiba election petition number 2 of 2022 aduna mamang thagi kungani thoida Justice Lanu Sungkum Jamir gi court na laukhatuna khanaraga Respondent singda notice issue tawkhe case asi amukhana tha asigi tarukta list tawnaba direction pikhe Ukrambam Sumatina MLA S Rajen gi mathakta file tawrakpa election petition aduna mamang thagi kungamanga da Justice MB Muralidaran gi bench na laukhatuna khanakhibaga loina na case asigi respondent singda notice issue tawkhi amasung case asi tha asigi kungamanga da amukhana list tawnaba direction pikhe Seram ne kena Thongam Bisojit ki mathakta file tawrakpa election petition Number 4 aduna Justice Ahanthem Bimol gi bench na mamang thagi kun manga dalakpatuna khanakhibaga loina na chayol ahum gi manungda paukhum pirakadaba notice sing respondent singda issue tawkhe aduga case asi tha asigi taraga tarukta amukhana list tawnaba khangankhe Yengkhom Surchandra na MLA M Rameswar amasung atopa miyoy manga gi mathakta file tawrakpa election petition aduna Justice Lanu Sungkum Jamir gi bench na mamang thagi kungani pandalakpatuna khanaraba matungda case asigi respondent singda notice issue tawkhe aduga makha taba wail gi damak case asi tha asigi kunda amukhan na list tawnaba khangankhe Mahakpam Indrajit na petitioner oiduna file tawrakhiba election petition aduna Justice MB Muralidaran gi bench na mamang thagi kungani pandalakotuna khanakhibaga loina na case asigi respondent singda notice sing issue tawkhi aduga makha taba wail gi damak tha asigi kulhumdoida amukhan na lepnaba khangankhe Makha tarakpada hogjik phawbada High Court of Manipur da file tawrakraba apunba election petition kulhumdoi gi manungda taruk lakhotuna khanakraba matung tha asigi marida atopa election petition taraga mathoisu khananaba list tawkhre tha asigi marida Justice Lanu Sungkum Jamir gi bench na khananaba gi damak list tawkraba election petition singde MD Nasiruddin Khan na MLA Laurembam Rameswar Mitai amasung atopa miyoy marigi mathakta file tawrakpa election petition number 8 of 2022 MLA Sagol Sem KV amasung atopa anigi mathakta Soibam Subhachandra na file tawrakpa election petition number 11 of 2022 MLA S Premchandra amasung atopa nipan gi mathakta petitioner Ahanthem Sanjoy na file tawrakpa election petition number 13 of 2022 MLA SS Oleski mathakta Langhu Porling Anal na file tawrakpa election petition number 16 of 2022 ne aduga numit asi the High Court of Manipur gi Justice MB Muralidaran gi bench na khananaba gi damak list tawraba election petition singna MLA Karam Shyam amasung atopa ni gi mathakta ojoy na file tawrakpa election petition number 7 of 2022 MLA KH Ibomsa amasung atopa ahong gi mathakta Khetrimayum Biren na election petition number 10 of 2022 MLA Thongnaujam Syam Kumar amasung atopa ni gi mathakta Laurembam Sanjoy na file tawrakpa election petition number 14 of 2022 amasung MLA Chinlun Thang amasung atopa ni gi mathakta Ginsuwan Haujaw na file tawrakpa election petition number 17 of 2022 ne aduga numit asida Justice Ahanthem Bimol gi bench na laukhatuna khananaba gi damak list tawraba election petition singna haujik na minister oiraba Bisnupur gi MLA amasung atopa miyoy amagi mathakta oinam Navakisor na file tawrakpa election petition number 9 of 2022 MLA KH Joy Kishan amasung atopa amagi mathakta Jotin Waikom na file tawrakpa election petition number 12 of 2022 amasung MLA Paunam Brozen amasung atopa magi mathakta Moirangthem Hemanta na file tawrakpa election petition number 15 of 2022 ne adumoy na maghawjik phawbagi oina High Court of Manipur da apunba election petition kulumdoi file tarokpagi pau phanglagasu mamang thada petition taruk laukhatkraba matung tha asigi marida anauba election petition taraga mathoi laukhatuna khananaba list tawbaga loinana numit si phawbada High Court na laukhalakpa apunba case taraga taret sure adumakpu lemhoriba case taruk adudi court asina karamba bench na list tawduna khananaba hablakadagi haiba khangba ngamdre panba yabadi mamangi taraga mathoi suba Manipur Legislative Assembly gi MLA orakhiba return candidate hompugi manungda taraga nithoi gi mathakta makhoiga mikhal aduda lamba tawnakhiba candidate singna election petition taraga nithoi file torokpa laikhibane aroibada tabiriba pumnamakpu thagachare